outfit check done. This is at the very heart of Coimbatore, and you can see me behind me. It says I love Kauai. Then I found a spot. Yeah. Run in this one. This is really big, really big, and it looks yum. Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is Friday, and you guys know as a working professional how Friday feels. Yeah, Friday energy is a totally different energy. You are half energetic and you are half tired, and you feel that the week is almost over and you are going to get some break. But today you have to muster up the courage and you have to go. You have to show up to work. So for me, from Monday to Wednesday, I have classes at first hour. That is my class starts at 8:30 a.m. So can you imagine dressing up in sari, take your breakfast, and then run for the class? So Monday to Wednesday, I don't even have time to record myself. And on Thursdays and Fridays, I got a bit of time to relax myself in the morning. So since today is Friday and I was feeling not so energetic, so I just feel like sharing what I do usually on Fridays if I feel that the week has been too long or the work has been too hectic for a week without any holidays. Then how I unwind myself and what do I do to make myself productive. So today's vlog is going to be about it, how I spend my weekend at work, and also how I keep myself motivated, and then what I do to refresh myself. So guys, you also share how Friday feels when you just know that after a few hours you are going to get a very good holiday or an off day, 2 days off day. So how is the excitement? I think life was much easier when we were a student. So today's vlog has now become like a mini get ready with me. And yeah, very important, extremely important. So once you are an adult, you have to beat not just Monday blues but also Friday blues. Here's my cute laptop bag, and with that's my handbag. Then here I put my very important journal. Like when I come up with any important or very good topic or idea for my vlogs, I just write it down here. Then obviously my pen and my ID card. I think I'm good to go now. Yeah, everything is packed. So without wasting any further time, I think I should head out for college. So outfit check done.
That's me typing out assignment questions. Later on, searching nearby places where I could relax my mind. That was my last class of the day. Now the time is 3:40 p.m.
Hey guys, I just got back from the department and see, every evening time it's like this. The crows, the peacocks, they will make so much of noise. And as I've said earlier, since it's a Friday and I'm like, my mind is not able to focus much, so I think that I will just go and rejuvenate myself. So maybe I will do some touch up of my lipstick and my greasy face. Yeah, I will do something about it, and I'm thinking I will just go out for like few hours, hardly 2 hours, and just relax myself. So today I will take you guys to a lake called Ukkadam, and I went there once, and the water and the view over there is like, it's a very relaxing place. So I'm thinking that today I will take you guys over there. Let me change my earrings. I hope it's visible. Just listen to the crows. Every evening they are so restless. Yeah, they are also coming home, so I guess they are talking with their family. I don't know. So this is the earring, and then I will do a bit of touch up of my face. I don't want to wash it. I will wash it after coming back only. I'll do a bit of touch up. I will put on bindi. I'll bring my bindi. Here's my bindi. Yeah, I will not waste any more time. I'll just book a cab. Working, waiting for salary. Sometimes we forget that such simple pleasures we are surrounded by. It's a beauty, and this lake is magnificently beautiful. And can you believe it is right here within the Coimbatore? And I think I will just stay here for some more time, just looking at the lake, the mountains, and the fishermen. Everything is so calm and serene here. Now let us see what is here. This is the pelican bird. There are some more birds. Now let's see which one is this. And this is darter. Details are also written. Let me just show you how darter looks like. The third one is painted stroke. This one is quite big in size. Then it also has a fish in its mouth. Nicely done. This is at the very heart of Coimbatore, and you can see me behind me. It says I love Kauai, and for those of you who don't know, Kauai means Coimbatore only. The previous name of Coimbatore was Kauai. So when I come here, I saw a lot of Kauai written here a lot of times. Later on, I found out that Kauai means Coimbatore only. Then I found a spot where the shed is also there, and this one is also looks very pretty. I think 50% of my stress is already gone after coming here. Yeah. This one and this one. So I've chosen these two. I think this one will look pretty and this one will give me a very bright look on my face. And now one potato twister and one lemonade. This is really big, really big, and it looks yum. Mmm.
So now I'm back in my hostel and it's a late evening and the sky just looks so beautiful with the moon on it. So guys, I hope you like today's vlog, and to watch me more about my life, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.